In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to tap on fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then tap on face unlock. Enter your current login method and when you're ready, hit start. Then wait 5 seconds to choose agree in the pop-up. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Select done and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!